Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to be accepting a challenge from DC. So I really liked this challenge. It was to solve a 5x5 using only double layer turns, and I guess, scramble it that way obviously too. And he said if it's too hard I can do a 3x3, but I have, long ago I made up my own sort of method for doing that on a 3x3, and I wanted to try it on a 5x5. I did it a couple days ago just to see if I could do it, and it took me a while, but I was able to get it. I didn't record it or anything, so I'm just gonna try it again. I don't have any specific method, but I kinda know what I'm doing from that last experience, so we'll see how this goes. Anyway, I'm just gonna start right now. And like he said, only double layer turns, which, like that, instead of one turn, do two, like that sort of thing, so yeah. Okay, I finished centers. Edges take the longest amount of time out of everything, so let's see how this goes. Okay, I finished edges, and now it's just the simple 3x3 method that I use, so finally. And then it doesn't look like I'm gonna have an H perm. Okay, there. I did it. So here it is solved using only double layer turns, or turns twice, like that. Yeah, that was difficult. It was a fun challenge. It really was kind of what you'd expect from its name. It was a challenge. I really like that sort of thing. It took me about 13 minutes, so hopefully the video will be sped up. It'll probably be around 4, but yeah, for reference, it was about 13 minutes in overall. Yeah, so that was a really fun challenge. Thank you for that. It was really awesome. So yeah, submit your challenges in the comments down there, and maybe I'll use it next month. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.